Hi, welcome back, and please do subscribe, do like, and do share these videos. Another question related to lung mechanics. Which of these statements regarding time constant is incorrect? So please note which is incorrect. So you have to pick up one choice which is not correct. Time constant is short in low compliance lung disease like RDS. So we need at least 3 times of the time constant as a minimum time period for adequate expiration. Time constant is short in conditions with increased resistance. A long inspiratory time in a baby on high rate ventilation may leave inadequate time for expiration, and time constant is a product of compliance and resistance. So pause this slide for a brief second and we can discuss after that. Okay, so obviously the first choice is correct. Time constant is short in low compliance lungs, and that's why in RDS we keep a short inspiratory time of say 0.3 to 0.35. The second point is also correct. We need at least 3 time constants, preferably 3 to 5 time constants for expiration, and so the inspiratory time is adjusted accordingly. So that's why the ratio of the inspiratory and expiratory time with an adequate expiratory time becomes important, especially when you're on a high rate ventilation. So the third choice is the wrong one, because time constant is increased where there is increased resistance. The answer, the clue for this is from the last choice, which is time constant is a product of compliance and resistance. So obviously if it's a product of resistance and the resistance is high, the value will go up. So the higher the resistance, the greater the time constant. A long inspiratory time in a baby on a high rate ventilation. So we often see this situation in babies who are on assist control ventilation, who are breathing fast. So obviously the inspiratory time is preset, and so the expiratory time gets shorter as the baby starts breathing fast, because the ventilator is supporting every breath. And in this situation we may end up with air trapping because there is inadequate expiratory time. So if a baby is significantly tachypnic and you are on assist control mode, try to increase the pressure or do additional measures. Maybe sedate the baby, which I personally don't prefer. One other option is to switch to SAMV mode with pressure support for the breaths which are not supported by the SAMV. So I personally prefer that, but according to your unit preference you can change your approach. So this is something to monitor as well. So I hope these points on time constant help you, and do share this video. Thank you.